Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys. And today is the 1st of July on the Friday. How to live trade Forex today on the 2022, right? So yes, I guess yesterday we have a good day, right? And yeah, things came too late for me, I guess. Like my pound yen, pound dollar. And last night was the dollar CAD, am I right? Okay, nevertheless, I see that somebody like Aiden and Alan, not bad. You also grabbed quite a good profit, I guess. All right. So yeah, this is good. This is good. I'm happy to see that people are grabbing profits. Okay, and so happy to see that, huh? So yeah, let us continue. Okay, what we are supposed to do today. So remember, okay, whatever happened yesterday, okay, we will just erase it. Now reset to 0. All right. So yeah, correct. So we have to we shall just move on. Okay, and let's see what do we have for the Friday. All right. Okay. And this Friday, right? So I hope all of you can hear me clearly. All right. So yeah. Okay. Hi CK, 你好. Okay. So let's go. Hubert. Those guys are really crazy cowboys. Okay. Okay. So yeah. All right. Okay. So we shall start with our analysis here. Okay. Right. Okay. Can I have my MT4 please? Okay, MT4. Right. Okay. So once again, before I start off, all right, let me give me a 1-minute session for the Mandarin. Okay. 好了，那么在这里呢，我现在说一些短的一些中文。好了，那么我们呢，在这个7月份呢，我会开始举行一个基本课程的一个小群。然后呢，如果你们有兴趣想加入这个群里来学习的话呢，你们都可以点击我的这个 YouTube 里的这个YouTube 里的 description box 里面有我的这个 Facebook 的链接，然后呢，可以通过这个 Facebook page 里面呢来咨询如何加入我们的这个基本课程的学习群里面啊。OK， 好的 ，Right， so let's us continue. Okay, what do we have here? So once again, if you are still on my Facebook, all right, I will encourage you to come over to my YouTube. Okay, all right, my YouTube channel is open up for everybody. Okay, hi, good morning. Good morning, Hubert, not Hubert. All right, good morning, Riano. All right, okay, so yeah, let's move again. Okay, all right, so let's see what do we have here. Aussie CAD, it came too late yesterday. I was looking at Aussie CAD to continue the selling, but it came only this morning. Am I right? It came only this morning. So yeah, that's right. So at this part of time, all right, as we can see, tentatively today we are at the selling. We are at the bear trend for this Aussie CAD. But is it really good to sell today? That will depends. Okay, that will really greatly depends on where it is going to. All right, so somewhere that we need to find out is where is the support level. Okay, let me take a look. Where's the support level? Right, let me swing through. Okay, I will always do this. Okay, I will look out for the nearest support level from the price. Okay, so that I will know that is this really a good time for me to take note of these particular currency pairs which I will want to focus in selling. Okay, all right. So yeah, let me take a look over back here. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to scroll a little bit. Okay, I'm going to scroll a little bit now to check. Okay, where is my support level nearest to my price? Okay, current price, so that I would know whether is this really a good one for me to continue the selling. All right. So tentatively, by looking at this point here, okay, I see there's a support over at this side. So I'm still looking for about 70 pips of space for Aussie CAD. However, 70 pips of space doesn't mean that I'm going to enter now and I'm going to sell now to grab the 70 pips. That may not be the case, right? So tentatively, okay, we have looking at the selling pattern over here, all right? We are now selling through, okay, we are now selling through, all right? So selling through the bull zone over here. Can you see the bull zone over here? So very likely it's going to retrace and retest the bull zone before we have any action to continue the selling. So tentatively for this session, I will see that at this point of time, okay, at this point of time, it's most likely to be a retracement, okay, so it will not be selling as what we see in the morning. So tentatively, I'm going to skip Aussie CAD for a while because anyway, today the CAD is actually on a holiday, so volume may get a little bit slower and smaller, all right? Okay, lower, all right? So yeah, let's move on to Aussie franc. Aussie franc, so looking at Aussie franc, same thing. Aussie franc today, we are on the selling. And yesterday was a retracement day that we avoided, correct? But today, we finally come in for a selling. All right, so today, is it a good time for selling? One thing for Aussie franc, once again, is into the bull zone. I'm not going to sell this because there may be a lot of turbulence along the way. All right, there may be a lot of turbulence along the way. Okay, so in that case, right? 好了，那么我是在说英文的哈。如果你们听不懂英文的话，可以发问题，用中文发问题，在我的 YouTube channel 里面呢，然后我可以用这个中文跟你翻过来哈。OK。All right, so come back in English again. All right, so tentatively Aussie franc, I'm going to give it a miss today. So Aussie yen, yes, Aussie yen yesterday was a good selling already, and until today, okay, it has totally covered my potential selling, okay, area, totally covered. All right, so so yeah, so is it still a good time for me to continue the selling? It may be, all right, it may be. But the thing is that over at this point here, I have quoted this area as a very potential selling area. So it has actually sell through and covered the whole area. So tentatively, let's check, is this still good for us to continue the selling? All right. So tentatively, we are very near to one of the supports over at this area, which is we are just a few pips away. So I would suggest that no at the moment because as we can see, the drop from this morning, so it's very likely it's because of the unemployment rate in Japan, right? And Japan is actually moving towards, now it's the 1st of July. So Japan is actually moving towards the 10th of July, which is going to be their election day. Okay, the Japanese House of Councillor elections. So currently, okay, the yen may have a lot of turbulence at this point of time. Okay, so we are, although their election scheduled at 10th of July, it seems like still far away, but we are drawing near, and the currency, it seems like has a lot of volatility. So we also need to pay attention to situation like this. Okay, all right. So if I want to continue selling on this Aussie yen, I want to break the support level first. Okay, break the support level first, then retest the support with a trending market showing. All right, then I will continue the selling. All right, if not, I will not sell. So will that be a good chance for me to continue the Aussie yen to sell? I will say unless it breaks the support area. Okay, so nevertheless, I will still put this into my selling list, so that probably it may happen, okay, that we will be able to grab some profit from there. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, tentatively, are we still in the selling mood, or are we still moving in the bear? Okay, so currently, by looking at this, we are supposed to move into the bear, but we are supposed to look at it as moving into the bear right now. As you can see, this is the left shoulder. now coming up one head, and now it's like forming a right shoulder. So very likely I will see that there will be a good chance for selling over at this point. Okay. Likely, okay, likely, but then again is that we are also very close, okay, to the support level. Okay, there's a support level over here. So if Aussie Kiwi, we are going to sell, okay, making sure that it's going to break the support first. It's going to break the support first. Then we will be able to sell since we have already one resistance already up here. Okay, Aussie Kiwi is looking good to sell. Okay, it's looking good to sell, but the thing is that we are just started to sell only into the bear. All right, so Aussie Kiwi, I would say that yes, probably we can look out for selling. Okay, over at this point, it's just that break the support first. We have to break the support. Okay, with a new resistance below the support level, then we start selling. Okay, that's for Aussie Kiwi. All right, so I'm going to put Aussie Kiwi into my watch list today. All right, so this will help us, okay, to focus. Okay, how about Aussie dollar? Are we going to sell Aussie dollar today? Aussie dollar, we are still going with the bull. We are still going with the bear into the bull area. But then again, is that this bull area, will there be a chance for us to sell again? I would say that can you see currently yesterday the previous support area? Okay, this may become our resistance area. Okay, so this area of resistance is something that we should pay attention to. So likely I will be looking at this point whereby Aussie dollar will retrace upwards first. Okay, that is about 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips of space to move upwards to reverse. Then we will be able to continue the selling. Okay, so this is something that I would suggest that everybody should take note. Okay. So for the support wise, okay, let's take a look at where's the support. All right, as for the support, I'm going to look out for something over at this point here, whereby that is the nearest, okay, the nearest support that I can see over here is right here. Okay, yeah. Hi, good morning, Western. Okay, so we still have about 30 pips to go, about 20 plus to 30 pips. All right. Okay, so this is something that for Aussie dollar. Okay, for Aussie dollar. All right. So I guess this is something we can pay attention to. Okay. All right. Then I guess this is 20 to 30 pips. I think still quite okay. Still quite okay. All right. Okay. Hi, Sawadee Krab Om. Aussie dollar, okay, we are quite a small, quite a tight space to go, I see. Okay, and especially we are still in the bull zone, so I'm going to give this a miss today. All right. Okay, so Euro Aussie, we are still, yes, very good. You still continue the bull. Okay, so the bull is still riding on, so we are going to give this a miss. So Euro CAD over here, Euro CAD. Now today we are having a retracement, so no, just leave it alone. Unless Euro CAD retest the resistance over at this point, then we will have a chance to continue the selling to retest the support level downwards again. Okay, so actually, by looking at this over here, we are very near to the resistance now. Okay, so near, so near. All right. Okay, so Euro CAD over here, we can pay attention to it. Okay, so that this is something that we will take a look. All right, so if this retrace downwards, will the support be at this level? No, it will be here, this level. Okay, why is that so? If you can see, okay, if this is really a reversing downwards to sell, it very likely is going to form an inverse. It's going to form an inverse head and shoulder. So I will place the support level over here at the moment. Okay, before I take action. All right. So currently for Euro CAD, okay, I will still stay away. If you are good at retracement trading, then I guess it is still pretty good to go for a selling, okay, from this area, okay, from this level. All right, Euro CAD is a Euro CAD. Okay, you can, but the thing is that Euro CAD, it is a retracement trading. All right. Okay, so move on to Euro Yen. Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen. Okay, let's take a look. Euro Yen, which is quite good today. We are in the bear. All right, so we are going to sell off from euro yen. Yesterday we have been selling off euro yen. As I told you, euro yen is my focus, pound yen is my focus, dollar CAD is my focus. Okay, so I'm going to focus these three pairs for the next few weeks as well. Okay, unless things has changed. Okay, just like Aussie CAD has completed. Aussie yen has completed. Okay, my targeted area, so my profitable space. So then Aussie yen, I will very likely I will focus for the next few weeks. It has completed, nothing for me to focus. Okay, so for euro yen, not yet. We still have a very long way to go. Okay, so let me move this over to here. So very likely, okay, we still have a very good space. All right, we have about 200 over pips to go. Okay, so yeah, it depends. Sometimes, yeah, it may change. Things may change along the way. All right. So right now, by looking at this euro yen, we are in the downward trend in the bear. So I'm looking out for resistance like here. Okay, so this is the resistance, as you can see, previous support level. Okay, previous support level over at this area here. Okay, the most touches here. All right, area of values, as you can see. All right, so at this point, so probably it may have a good chance to retrace upwards. Okay, and retest, and then started to sell further down. Okay, so the support is actually pretty low. Okay, so tentatively, I will still see that support, very good space. There's still very good space to go. All right, so tentatively, let's see, is there any retracement? No retracement at all. So yeah, euro yen will still be my target. Okay, will still be my target. So will there be any say like any point that it will start to retrace upwards? Probably it might be this area. Okay, it might be this area here. Okay, so now it touches. So probably it may goes up for a little while. When it touches the resistance, okay, then it will start to come down again. Okay, if not, we will need to wait for it to break the support. Okay, then we continue the selling. All right. Okay. Right, so of course, euro yen will definitely in my watch list. Okay, this is very potential. Okay, euro yen. All right, just in case euro yen, when euro yen is retracing, then we still have other currency pairs to trade. All right. Okay, so that's cool. Then pretty good to go on. All right, so euro kiwi, as we say, euro kiwi is on the bull, riding onto the bull to the moon. So continue the buying. No for selling. All right, so euro dollar, are we on the selling mode today? Yes, we are still in the selling mode today. We are coming for a retesting. Yesterday we are retested once and being rejected. So today looks like it's going to retest once again. Okay. All right. So at this point of time, it's also showing that over at this point we have a trending market, as we can see. This trending market over here is still performing very well. It's just that over at this point we just need to be careful. There may be an inverse, okay, head and shoulder over here. So over at this point, resistance is still above there. So coming at this point, I would say that tentatively it may also build up a higher support at this level. Okay, at this level. So let's hang on with this level first. Okay, hang on with this level. So let's see if I'm going to break this support level with a new resistance below, then we will have a very good space to sell, about 58 pips. Okay, that's for euro dollar. Okay. All right, euro dollar. Okay, so tentatively, I'm going to put euro dollar into my watch list. Okay. So, yeah. So let's take a look at what do we have for pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, we are still in the bull run. Very good. The bull is still running. So as we have already read the chart, that we can tell the chart that it is already in this bull run. So tentatively, we are going to put this into we are going to put this out. Okay, definitely not for selling. So pound CAD over at this point here. Okay, pound CAD. So pound CAD, as we can see, all right, pound CAD. I'm in euro dollar since yesterday. Very good, Western. Nice. Okay. So over at this point here, all right, we are looking at this pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are still in the bear. All right, we are still in the bear, waiting for it to retest the support once again. As we can see, the retesting is actually coming along the way with the trending market over here. So let's hang on. Okay, I'm looking at the same resistance. So we are slightly away from the resistance, about 30 pips. So I will be looking for the retesting of the resistance. All right. Then if it's not breaking, then we can start selling once again. Okay, because we can see there's a lower low, lower resistance, lower low, lower resistance. Am I right? Okay, so lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and we have a lower low, lower low, lower low. So very likely we still have a good space of selling. All right. Yes, PowerCat. Okay, PowerCat. Right. Okay, over here. Okay, so let's take a look. We can pay attention to this, but it may take a while to have a selling signal. Okay, so just be patient. Pound franc. Today we are back to the selling after the retracement. Okay, so yesterday was a pullback, and today coming back for a downward selling. So we form up a trending market once again. So that is very, very good. Okay, so support level is here, and our resistance level was here. Okay, so as we can see, previous support has become a resistance right now. So selling is possible. We still have about 30 pips. Okay, so right now at this point of time, we are going to see that we have this much to go, about 20 over pips, 28 pips to 30. So this is actually in the stage of retracement. So if you're good with retracement trading, then you can go for selling. All right. If not, wait for it to break the support before you start selling. Okay. All right. So yeah, and since that's the case, okay, pound franc definitely will not be a good one. Okay. All right. So definitely not going to be a good one for people who are not well versed with this retracement trading. Okay, but you can I think a pound franc, I'm not going to include this. Okay. Yes, now come back to my pound yen. Yeah, it looks like my favorite pairs, right? Okay. Pound yen, we still have my profitable space, my prediction over here. Okay, for with this, we still running up about 136 pips to go. So today we are still in the bear, but is it a good time to sell? All right, so let's take a look. So it has exceeded my expectation. Since yesterday, I will actually put the support over at this point, and it actually exceeded. That is good. So the support level actually moved lower and lower right now at this support level. As you can see, previous resistance here has become a support. Correct? All right. So at this point of time, okay, for pound yen, right, I would suggest that pound yen wait for it to break the support first. Okay, after breaking the support with a new resistance below, then we can start selling once again. Okay, happily selling pound yen. Am I right, guys? But then again, it's time to take a break. Okay, take a break for your patience. Okay. Okay, take a break for your aggressiveness. Okay, so just just hang on a little bit, huh? All right, so pound kiwi. Okay, pound kiwi, definitely this is a bull run. Okay, after it has already gone into the bull and it's still on the bull run very aggressively. So tentatively, we are going to stay away from here. All right, pound dollar. How about pound dollar over here? Pound dollar, are we going for the selling? Yes, we are back into bear. Yeah, okay, pound dollar. So pound dollar, we are good for selling. So let's check it out. Where is the good selling area that we should be looking out for? Okay, let me erase all this so that we are clear enough to see what's going on with our chart here. Okay, we are looking for selling in the bear market to retest the support level over here. So we still have about 140 pips. My prediction, my profitable space is still here, and it went into my profitable space. Now continue the selling. It's still around this area. Okay, so yep, that's the support area. So let's see what will be the outcome for what is the situation of a pound dollar right now. we are on the support. Definitely we cannot sell. Am I right? So the resistance has already created from yesterday, as where we can see the previous area of values over at this point where it has become a resistant area, and this is the value, this is the area that we should start selling yesterday, correct? Okay, yes, since yesterday, I think last night in Asia, okay, so it has started to sell off, okay, sold off from that level, and I think this is pretty good. So I guess some of you when they attended my special live yesterday, okay, all right. So I was saying that the pound dollar is actually retracing upwards to look out for a resistance before the buyers let go. All right. So because of the previous support tested and breaks and become a resistance at this level. So it started to sold off since yesterday until this morning, and we hit on the support level over at this point. So it seems like now we are going to retrace a little bit. Okay, so let's see if we have a chance to break the support with a new resistance below. Then we still have a good space to sell about 120 pips. All right. Okay. Yes, euro dollar is a good deal too. Yes, it's also in my watch list today. All right. So pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Yes. Right. Okay, so I think that this is pretty good. What about dollar CAD? Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Been watching this dollar CAD. I'm waiting for dollar CAD to actually get out of this pink box here and go into my blue box at this area. Then we can start selling. Okay, so this is a very profitable space, but now it's just at the verge. It's at the verge of becoming a bear market. So it's still testing here, going out and in and out, you know what I mean? Okay, so it's a bit struggling, so just be patient, guys. Probably if once you get out, okay, we are going to have one good week for this dollar CAD. Okay, all right, dollar franc. All right, EJ, what do you think about EJ? All right, Western, give me a little while. Okay, I come back to EJ. Yeah, EJ is also in my watch list. Okay. Okay, so as for dollar franc is actually quite struggling today. Okay, so I would say that it's already taking a landing. Okay, since since last week we already talked about that. The dollar franc is actually taking a landing and still struggling at this support level. So I'd rather give this a miss. Okay, we are not going to touch this. All right, how about dollar yen? Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. It looks like it's coming for a selling today. All right, so is it into the bear market already? Tentatively, all right. Tentatively, I would say that yes, it's coming into the bear market right now. So at this point of time, okay, this I would say this area, okay, we are coming into the bear market. So dollar yen. Is it a bear market that totally going to sell down all the way? No. Okay, it's today. I'm talking about today. So dollar yen, all right, dollar yen, the transition have from the bull, okay, running up and gone into a transition to turn into a bear. However, today it meets on the support. So today, where is the resistance that I'm looking out for? Okay, so at this point of time, if I'm going to trade this dollar yen, the resistance is no longer important to me, but the support is very important to me. Okay, very important, which is over at this area, right? So dollar yen, we still have around 30 pips to the support. If I'm going to sell dollar yen, I want to make sure it breaks the support. Okay, I want to make sure it breaks the support before I start selling. Okay, so this is something that I want to take a look. After it breaks the support over here, let's say in H1, okay, can you see this is very obvious? So coming down, so when it start to break the support, and I want the formation like this, it form back to retest the support as a resistance, then it will form up a lower highs and lower resistance, then I will continue the selling. That will be much safer to trade for dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen, yes, I will put this into my watch list. Okay, so dollar yen today, we have to break the support before we have a chance to sell. Okay. All right, so how about Bitcoin? Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin, we are on the 19, good. All right, 19. So 19 is nothing fantastic. Okay, so I'm still looking out for about price like 17 or 16. Okay. 17 or 16. Yes, some clever guys, okay, will know what I meant, and they will start selling. Okay, but I won't be selling for Bitcoin myself. Okay, so tentatively, I will still be watching over Bitcoin at a price of 16 or 17 before I take action. All right. Okay, so let's come back here with what are we going to talk about in our currency. Okay, with our currency here, what we are going to focus. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Let me go back to Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen, I will be looking out for selling. Okay, but I want to wait for it to break the support over at this area before I start selling. Okay. If I break the support over here, I will have very, very good space to continue the selling today. So there may be a very bearish move today. All right. Alternatively, it will move towards the resistance to retest and build a lower high and then continue the selling. Then it will break the support. Then it will start to have a bearish selling. Okay. So there are two ways. One, it breaks the support, retest, then the bearish selling will come in. If not, it will retest the resistance without breaking, come back here, then the bearish will start again. Right? So it will still be at the support area here. So no matter what Euro Yen, I want to wait for it to break the support before I start selling. Okay? All right. Okay, so today we have right now we have Aussie Yen, Aussie Kiwi, Euro CAD, Euro Yen, Euro Dollar, Pound CAD, Pound Yen, Pound Dollar, and Dollar Yen. Wow, it looks like there's quite a lot of currency pair that we can switch around today. But please don't lose focus. Those that you need to wait, just leave them aside. Okay, those that are coming near to support or resistance, support you need to break, you need to wait, leave it aside. When come near to resistance, something is there, then that is something that we should stay focused. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, guys. So that's all for me today for this session. So I shall see you next week. All right, for this session again later in the London market. I will be around. Okay, I will be around. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. If you are still there with me, all right, remember to smash the like button to show a little bit of your appreciation for the effort behind the video. And remember to smash the subscribe button so that later on we can trade together, we can discuss and take profit together. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And importantly, ring up the bell so they get notification when I go live. Okay. Thank you, guys. I wish you good luck in your trading and with bountiful of profits. Thank you so much. See you next week for this analysis session.